Yes.
Outward, starboard, home. No need to hurt them, like,
Cheers.
like next level.
Thank you.
We stop.
No, it's like
This is
it's like
horrible.
a card game.
So we're stealing a dinghy. Breaking out. Whoa. All right. What happened, James? What happened?
Don't ask me. Don't ask me.
It's a little.
Might have been a bit of water in the tank.
How much is a little bit?
70 liters.
Because we changed the diesel filter, and we have a new pet. I think it's a diesel animal. It's so nasty.
That's fucked. What is the point of that thing even living?
So this is the diesel animals.
Hang on. Oh, I don't want to get my bags and only put my phone screen in it.
No.
This is not.
Okay, so this is the diesel tank. Dette dieseltanken. Her en håndpumpe. Så når jeg kom tilbake så hadde vi pumpa opp 70 liter med vann fra dieseltanken. Installert et nytt vannfilter her. Så nå kan vi se om det går vann gjennom systemet.
The engine is running!
Hi, Captain.
Hi! The engine is running. As expected. But, we will know when the fuel from the tank hits the engine. It's gonna be a couple of minutes.
Yeah. If it stops, the whole thing stops.
Might be the end of it. Okay, mission. What are we going to do?
Get some good champagne.
Awesome!
Not any champagne, some good champagne.
Yeah, soon New Year's. Very good. I soon see the horizon again. Oh, there it is. The volcano, there's an eruption there. Wow. What a nice meal. Which one? Jeg det lille julaften. Så derfor finner vi fram fiskestanga. The Christmas fish. Can you do it again so I can film it?
Outside.
You're not hungry, Alana? Oh, wow!
Look at that avocado!
This is the perfect Christmas decoration. Hey! Wow, this is a great shot. Fuck this actually. Christmas wash-up cleaning.
I've got 2 brain cells and I like tick-tock. Tick-tock, tick-tock, 2 brain cells. I like to wear pink hats in the morning.
Nice.
Oh yeah. I like to wear pink hats.
Oh yeah, det julaften.
Sitting in. If you look around, you see.
It's so nice. So where did you buy all the flowers? I was expecting them to come down with more beer.
I mean, this is all.
48 beers.
Christmas Eve!
It's the main one.
Is what?
GoPro 9. It's great.
That? And then... Christmas Day! Everybody looks so happy. Merry Christmas!
This is caviar.
If everybody squeezes in to show the bit.
It's caviar.
Good start,
Inspired by.
Cheers!
Where's home at?
Gud feirer som en engel. Og båten pynta med sommer.
This is the good stuff, right? Wow, man.
Merry Christmas! Første juledag!
Feliz Navidad! Okay, James.
Merry Boxing Day! Boxing Day!
Popcorn! Very good. Vi fant ørkenen på Granca. Au!
We got it. And the taxi driver was so nice, she like stopped charging us and like took some money off the thing because we were so pathetic.
So now we're ready to go
We're ready!
for New Year's. So, pasito blanco. Adios. Oh, this gypsy boat.
Good to see you again.
It is!
It is!
How is it?